Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Hey, Emma, is that you?
Oh, hi, David. Wow, I didn't see you there.
Are you out for a run today?
Yeah, I'm just doing a short run.
That's awesome. When did you start running?
I started about 2 weeks ago.
Really? You look like you're doing pretty well.
Thanks, but I'm actually really tired. I need to walk for a bit.
Sure, let's walk together. What made you start running?
Well, I wanted to get more active and lose a few pounds.
I know that feeling. It's hard to stay active these days.
Exactly. Some of my clothes have been feeling a little tight lately.
I know what you mean. So, how has running been so far?
Oh, it's hard. My legs are so sore after every run.
Do you run every single day?
No way. Just 3 times a week. That's enough for me right now.
That sounds like a good plan. You shouldn't push yourself too hard.
I agree. I just want to feel better and have more energy.
Do you have more energy yet?
A little bit, yeah. But I still get tired in the afternoon.
That happens to me too, especially after work.
Yeah, I think it's because I sit at my computer all day.
Right. Working at a desk makes me so sleepy around 3 o'clock.
Same here. Do you get up and walk around the office?
Sometimes, but mostly I just sit there and drink more coffee.
I do that too. Coffee is my best friend at work.
How many cups do you drink every day?
Usually 2 cups. 1 in the morning and 1 after lunch.
That's not too bad. What do you usually have for lunch?
I try to bring food from home, but I don't always have time.
I almost never pack a lunch. I just buy something near the office.
Where do you usually go?
There's a sandwich shop right around the corner.
Oh, I know that place. They have really good turkey sandwiches.
Yeah, they do. But buying lunch every day gets expensive.
That's true. It's much cheaper to cook at home.
Do you cook dinner most nights?
Yeah, most nights. I like simple meals, like chicken and vegetables.
That sounds healthy. Is that part of your new routine?
Yeah, eating better helps me lose weight too.
You're doing pretty well with that. I usually just order pizza.
Pizza is delicious, though. I love cheese pizza.
Me too. I could eat pizza 3 times a week.
But then you'd have to start running with me.
Oh, no way. I hate running. I prefer walking.
Walking is great exercise, too. My doctor says it's really good for you.
That's good to hear. I walk for about 30 minutes every day.
Do you usually walk around this park?
Yeah, I like walking here because there are so many trees.
It's really pretty here. The weather's perfect today, too.
It really is. It's not too hot or too cold.
Fall is definitely my favorite season.
I like fall too, but I don't like it when it rains.
Yeah, running in the rain is terrible.
Did the rain keep you inside last week?
Yeah, so I stayed inside and made soup.
Oh, nice. What kind of soup did you make?
I made vegetable soup. It was really easy to make.
Where did you get the vegetables?
At the new supermarket on Main Street. Have you been there?
Yeah, I went there last Saturday morning. It was super crowded.
Oh, yeah. Saturday mornings are always busy.
When do you usually go grocery shopping?
I usually go on Sunday evening. It's really quiet then.
That's a smart idea. I should try going on Sundays.
Yeah, and I can usually find some good deals then.
Nice. Do they have good fruit there?
Yeah, the apples and bananas are usually pretty fresh.
Perfect. I need to buy more apples for snacks at work.
Apples are a great snack. I usually eat an apple with peanut butter.
Really? I've never tried that. Is it good?
It's delicious. You should try it sometime.
Maybe I'll pick up some peanut butter this weekend.
I usually get the natural kind. I like it better.
Good tip. I'll look for it. Maybe my roommate will like it too.
Do you two usually shop together, or do you each buy your own food?
My roommate usually buys his own food. We share things like milk and eggs.
How's your roommate doing? Is he still working at the bank?
Yeah, he is. He's working really long hours these days.
That must be hard. Does he come home late?
Yeah, usually around 8 or 9 at night.
That's pretty late. I'm usually relaxing by 8.
What do you do in the evening to relax?
I usually take a shower, make some tea, and watch TV.
That sounds nice. What show are you watching right now?
I'm watching a funny show about a family in Chicago.
Oh, is it a comedy?
Yeah, it's really funny. I laugh a lot when I watch it.
I need a new show. What do you watch it on?
On Netflix, so I can watch it anytime.
That's convenient. I watch a lot of movies on Netflix.
What kind of movies do you like?
I love action movies and comedies.
Action movies are fun, but I don't like all the noise late at night.
That's true. Sometimes I fall asleep during the movie anyway.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
Probably around 11:30 or midnight.
That's late for me. I usually go to sleep by 10.
I know, but it's hard for me to fall asleep early.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Yeah, I usually check social media for about half an hour.
That's probably why you have trouble falling asleep. You should put your phone away.
My mom says the exact same thing to me.
Your mom is right. Try reading a book instead.
I used to read before bed. Maybe I'll start again.
You should. It helps you relax.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 every weekday.
6:30? That's so early.
It's not too bad. I like having time to sit and drink my coffee.
I rush every morning. I wake up at 7:15 and leave at 7:40.
You get ready fast.
I have to. Otherwise, I'll miss the bus.
Do you take the bus to work every day?
Yeah, the 12 bus stops right near my apartment.
Is the bus usually crowded in the morning?
Yeah, very crowded. I usually have to stand the whole way.
That sounds annoying. I prefer driving to work.
How long does it take you to get to work?
Only about 15 minutes, if there's no traffic.
That's not bad at all. My bus ride takes 30 minutes.
Well, at least you can listen to music on the bus.
True. I listen to podcasts every morning.
Oh, really? What podcasts do you like?
I listen to one about history and another one about sports.
Cool. My brother loves history podcasts too.
Speaking of your brother, how's he doing?
He's doing great. He just bought a new house last month.
That's big news. Is the house near here?
Not exactly. It's about 20 minutes away, in the next town.
Nice. Does the house have a backyard?
Yeah, a big one. He wants to get a dog next month.
Oh, I love dogs. What kind of dog does he want?
He wants a golden retriever. They're so friendly.
Golden retrievers are awesome. My family had one when I was a kid.
Did you? What was your dog's name?
His name was Max. He loved to run around the yard.
Aw, that's sweet. I want a dog too, but my apartment is too small.
Yeah, a big dog can be tough in a small apartment.
True. Maybe someday I'll get a house with a yard too.
Are you planning to stay in this city for a while?
I think so. I really like my job, and my friends are here.
I think I'll stay here too. This neighborhood is really nice.
It really is. By the way, nice sneakers. Are those new?
Thanks. Yeah, I got them last week at the mall.
Were they expensive?
No, they were on sale for $50.
That's a great price. I need to get new running shoes soon.
The shoe store at the mall has a big sale right now.
Really? I might go there this Saturday.
You should. They have a lot of different brands.
Good to know. Do you have any other plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might clean my apartment and do some laundry.
Same here. I need to clean my kitchen too.
It feels good when your apartment is clean, though.
Yeah, especially Sunday night before the work week starts.
Exactly. Are you doing anything fun on Saturday night?
My friend Sarah is having a birthday party at a restaurant downtown.
Sounds fun. Which restaurant is it?
It's an Italian restaurant called Bella Rosa.
Oh, I've been there. The pasta is amazing.
Oh, nice. What did you have?
I had the spaghetti and meatballs. It was delicious.
Yum. Now I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
Same here.
Do you have any trips coming up?
Yeah, I'm taking a vacation in October.
Oh, nice. Where are you going?
I'm visiting my aunt in Florida for a week.
That sounds great. You can go to the beach.
Yeah, I can't wait to swim and sit in the sun.
I haven't been to Florida in 3 years.
You should go back sometime. The weather is so warm there.
I know. Maybe I'll go next spring.
Do you have any trips planned soon?
No trips for me right now. I need to save some money first.
I understand. Traveling can be really expensive.
Yeah, flights aren't cheap these days.
That's true. You have to look for good deals.
Exactly. Wow, we've been walking for a while.
You're right. We've walked almost all the way around the park.
My legs are starting to get tired too.
Haha. See, walking is real exercise too.
You're right about that. How are your legs feeling now?
Better. That walking break helped a lot.
Are you going to start running again now?
Yeah, I want to run for about 10 more minutes before I head home.
Nice. You're doing well so far.
Thanks, David. That's nice of you to say.
Maybe next week I'll meet you here and walk with you for a bit before you get started.
That would be fun. We can meet here around this time.
Sounds like a plan. What days do you usually run?
Usually Monday, Wednesday, and Friday afternoons.
Perfect. I'll meet you here next Friday then.
Great. I should get back to my run.
All right. Enjoy the rest of your run, Emma.
Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your walk, David.
See you next Friday.
See you next Friday. Bye.